Hey everybody, it's Malia Hoard, your real estate agent of choice with Malia Realty and Keller Williams Bluegrass. And tonight is a gorgeous night. It's the most breathtaking sunset that I'm watching. And I'm out here at the Oaks in Nicholasville with the Jimmy Nash community. And I represented him today during the Grand Tour of Homes. If you didn't know, it started tonight. It's all day tomorrow, all day Sunday, and again next Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And this is the best opportunity for all of us to come and see the most incredible homes that have been built by some of the best and finest builders. And of course, you know I am partial to Jimmy. So if you want to get some great remodeling ideas, some great layouts of a home and how to redecorate, if you need great paint colors or furniture ideas, or if you really want to start thinking about your next home, your dream home, your last home, this is a great opportunity. Of course, start with Jimmy Nash. We have our beautiful community at the Oaks in Nicholasville off of Keene Road. We have our development out there in Patch and Wilkes off of Winchester Road. And then we have the reserves at Greenbrier that's way out there in the back of the Greenbrier community. We'd love to share what we know and help you with any of your real estate plans. And of course, if you don't have an agent, I would love the honor of being yours. Remember, I'm your girl, Just Ask Malia. Grab your spouse, grab a friend, grab the family, get it on your calendar, and be sure to tour the Grand Tour of Homes in Fayette County.